Hey guys, it's me, Demi here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some slime with no glue. And yeah, this is for you guys in UK, or maybe it might work in America. So what you'll need is forks, spoons, something to mix with anyway, a bowl, plate or a cap to mix in and to keep your slime in. Then you'll need some shampoo that is like really like slime, like thick. Then you'll need some bicarbonate of soda or whatever you use in America. And yes, this is from Co-op. And then we got this mini contact solution from in Bargains for 89p, I think it was, and it has to contain boric acid, so sodium, boric acid and borax. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's just get started. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to put in is our shampoo. It doesn't matter what shampoo it is, but it has to be thick shampoo, and it doesn't have to be colour. You can add colour in if you would like. And now what you're going to add in is your a pinch of boric acid. So a pinch goes in there, and then you are going to mix it up. This smells nice too, so this will be good. And this is, I'm just testing this out because, yeah. So if you think it's not enough, pinch, add in one more pinch, but don't add too much, because if you have too much it will go all clumpy. So yeah. And this is not a lot of slime that I'm making, just making a small batch. Then what you want to do is add your contact solution. So we're adding that in. Now I'm going to see if this works. So we've added some in. I feel like it's coming together well. So we're going to add a bit more in. Guys, I don't know if it's working or not. Let me add a bit more. It looks like it's working, but then it just melts. So I'm going to add a bit more. Do 4 pinches. There we go. It might work now. I'm not sure. I don't really know what to do because it's not worked. I don't know if it has worked, but to me it's not. One more squirt if it's not working. I'm going to, guys, and I'm going to add one more thing in, and this is going to be a bit of shaving cream. Guys, you can add in shaving cream if you want, but I'm not going to add it. Instead, I'm going to help it by adding some baby shampoo. This is yellow, so it'll be yellow slime, guys, if it works. Guys, I'm going to be back once I think I am done. So, yeah. Bit of shaving gel or shaving cream going in. So guys, we added more of this. More of the contact solution, and it hasn't worked. If you can see there, it hasn't worked. So this is a fail, guys. Comment down below if you have tried this method and it's worked for you, and tell me what I have done wrong. And yeah, comment down below what else you want me to do with the slime. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to join the girl power or the boy power squad. Peace out! Guys, don't forget to keep dabbing on them haters and whip in their face. Bye!